Hi everyone, my name is Shumonta. Firstly, it's a privilege to be here. Thank you very much for inviting me over from the UK today. Secondly, an apology. Some of my slides haven't loaded very well. I was hoping to share a lot of videos and pictures with you today, but unfortunately they've not uploaded, but I will do my best. So I'm going to be talking about the global burden of COPD today, and as you can see from my title, it's a rather odd phrase that I've put up there. And this is from one of my patients back in the UK. So when we first told him that he was diagnosed with COPD, he didn't understand what the acronym was, and his response to that was, does that mean he can only plan daily? He said that he felt so symptomatic that the only way that he could kind of bear life and get on with it was to plan each day, each of his activities, day by day. So moving on to my next slide, I'll just talk through it. It will come up when this comes back. But I've created a different acronym for COPD as well. The C is to stand for cool. So when people think about COPD, they don't think of it as the most exciting of lung diseases. And I'm hoping by the end of today that your perspective on that might change and you might think it's a bit more exciting. I am then going to be talking about our mission, so that is the O. GECCO is a global project running across 3 sites at the moment, and it's looking at diagnosis of COPD using simple case-finding tools, and it's a randomised controlled trial looking at self-management plans using a supportive network such as community health workers in these countries. The P is for protection and projection. So I'll be showing you some of our tools of how we propose to try and protect and maintain lung health and lung integrity, and lastly how we're trying to disseminate our word. Now, TB, HIV, malaria, they are the ones that you'll always see at the front of newspaper headlines. Have any of you ever seen COPD at the front of a newspaper? I can certainly say I haven't, and I'm hoping that by the end of today you will join me and you will agree that COPD really needs to be standing out there. So at present they say that there's an estimated 328 million people worldwide suffering with it. This is trying to include those that are also undiagnosed. It's the third leading cause of death worldwide at present. This is something that the WHO didn't predict to happen until 2020. It's 2025, it's 2019 and we're already there. Morbidity and mortality, deaths relating to COPD, over 90% of those happen in countries such as these, in low middle income countries. So to kind of perk our ears up and get involved is even more important when we're trying to do our research. Huge economic impact, as you can see. And this is a take-home point that I want all of you to remember today, that the WHO recently released a statement and they feel that in 15 years, COPD is expected to become the leading cause of death worldwide. So I personally think it should be at the front of newspaper headlines. Now, everyone's had a bit of tea, a bit of coffee, so I'm going to try and get you a bit more involved and I'm going to make this a bit more interactive. So we all think about tobacco smoke as a causative of COPD. COPD is the end result of susceptible lung being exposed to a toxin. That's not always cigarette smoke, but we can try and compare to cigarette smoke. Now, a Havana cigar, I just gave the answer away, sorry. It is the most prestigious cigar. It's the nicest cigar that people say, most expensive. And we all know that when we smoke cigars, we don't actually even inhale them properly. It's a puff and you blow out. But if I was to ask you what the equivalent in cigarettes was when it comes to inhalation of a cigar, what would the answer be? Ask it for us because we've already answered that one, and the answer is 4. Now the next one, so a mosquito coil. Think about what's in a mosquito coil. We've got formaldehyde, we've got DEET. And if you think about particulate matter and the amount of particulate matter that's released, if you were to burn a mosquito coil, last for around 8 hours in a non-ventilated house, can I have a show of hands of who thinks it would be the equivalent of 10 cigarettes? I did this on my respiratory college before I came out and I got every answer wrong, so there was no pressure at all. So no one for 10. Anyone for 70? Got a few. Anyone for 100? Those that were 100, that was right, but I'm glad the Shisha got that right. Excellent. Right, so Shisha, I'm not sure how it's phrased to actually, it could be a hookah session, essentially it's water pipe. So if you had a 1-hour session, what would the equivalent in cigarettes be? Those think 50 to 100. 100 to 150, and 150 to 200. So not many, but those that said the last were actually right. And 2 years ago in the NHS there was a big campaign about Shisha, And there is this photo that you can see, and the slogan that you might not be able to read very well says, imagine what your mouth would taste like after you smoked the equivalent of that many cigarettes. And I'm pretty sure it wouldn't be that nice. So, putting biomass into context, so the first thing, air pollution. Air pollution is everywhere, but it is not the same everywhere. And that's what we really have to be aware of when we're thinking about air pollution in low middle income countries. PM10 is particulate matter when policies are made, and 2.5 are the really fine ones, the ones that we really need to be aware of, the ones that get deep into our lungs. Now, as you can see, we've got 50 to 50 micrograms per cubic metre when we're talking about the US and Europe, and as they should be the maximum that should happen in a particular region. When you're looking at places such as here, when you're burning biomass, when you're burning solid fuels, this can reach up to 10,000 micrograms per metre, which is almost 200 times the recommended healthy limit. Now, while that pace, I'm not sure if I've got a pointer. Does that work? So, essentially, the middle one, thank you. Well, let's see what the geography is like here. So, we have got Uganda, just there. Below Sudan, next to Tanzania, there. It's not coming out, but it's red, essentially. Greater than 95% of solid fuel combustion. Other areas are Latin America and Southeast Asia, huge amounts of solid fuel combustion. And often there's not the most amount of research that's done there, and I personally don't think that's right. Now, put it on the kitchen. This is a photo. All of the photos I'm showing today were taken with consent, by the way, just so you are aware, of a site in Puno, which is in South America. It's in Peru. It's higher altitude, and they burn a lot of solid fuels for cooking and burning their homes. Would anyone like to hazard a guess at how old you think this lady might be? Just looking at her face, looking at the way that her skin has deteriorated, her expressions, does anyone think that she's, say, 40 to 50?
More than
50 to 60? 60 plus?
yeah.
She's 52 years old. She has spent her entire life, including her childhood, being brought up in really poorly ventilated areas and using llama poo, so dung, as a source of energy to fuel her home and to fuel so she can eat a hot meal. Now, the reason I mentioned here in the kitchen, so cooking is meant to be an enjoyable pastime, it's meant to be fun, it's meant, people get passionate about it. But it's only for a really privileged few where that happens. For the rest of the world, it's a dilemma. Are you going to cook, or are you not going to have a hot meal? What way are you going to go? Now, these are some photos that I recently taken of our site here in Uganda, so I'd like to focus a bit more here, because this is where we are. So we're working out in Makerere, which is a rural village, which has sub-districts within it, and we've got 3 different types of kitchen that I'm showing you here. So the one in the middle, you probably think, well, that's the best, it's the best ventilated, and in a way you're right. So it's ventilated, but that air pollution, that incomplete combustion from your biomass is going somewhere, and that's just going into the air. The other 2 are more household air pollution, because you've got really poor ventilation. Can you see that there aren't really any air vents? There's nothing really that's aiding ventilation in these kitchens when charcoal's being used and wood is being used. And if you remember back to one of my previous slides in the ladder that was on, charcoal wood and animal dung are at the bottom and are the most lethal to our lungs when it comes to incomplete combustion. Oh, apologies, spoke too quick. This is the slide I was telling you about. So you can see at the bottom, you've got animal dung, you've got wood, you've got charcoal. When you're looking in Uganda, wood and charcoal are 2 things that are burned a lot when you are trying to create fuel and an energy source, and where the amount of particulate matter that they burn is probably the most deadly and lethal when it comes to biomass and solid fuel in context. Okay, so quickly on to the project. So GECO stands for Global Excellence in COPD Outcomes. As you can see on my very busy slide, there are a lot of people that are involved in this study. It is split across 5 different continents, and it is a type 2 hybrid effective implementation science trial. Lots of words which I'll explain a bit later on. We have two parts to it. The first part is COPD case finding and diagnosing COPD, and the second part is a randomised control trial that's looking at supported self-management plans to try and help people that have been diagnosed with COPD. Now, implementation science, kind of what does it mean? It's quite a woolly term, it's a bit fluffy, and essentially we're trying to see whether an intervention works. So, does it work? And if it does work, can you then implement it? So, can you make it work? Now, this is our motto: high and rising global burden of COPD. We need revolution in diagnosis and management, and that's exactly how we split our trial up. So, the first bit is about diagnostics. So, we're testing the validity of simple case finding tools against the gold standard of diagnosis of COPD, which is spirometry. The nickname for that's GECKO1, which you hear me refer to. And then the second bit is the randomised control trial. This is a feasibility trial, so we're going to the first bit of implementation science, where we want to see, does it work? And if it does work, what can we do to make it work? And we will be using community health workers, which are our supporting part of a self-management action plan. So 3 low and middle income countries. So we have the flag for Nepal, so we're including Southeast Asia. We have the Nepal for the flag for Peru, so we're utilising care and research in South America. And then finally we have Uganda, and we are collaborating with MLI, as I'm sure you've already guessed. So in total for GECKO1, we are hoping to recruit 10,500 participants. That's 3,500 in each site. And with GECKO2, which is the randomised control trial, as I mentioned, it's a feasibility trial, so it's much smaller, but in total we're able to recruit 240 participants. These are the academic institutions we'll be affiliated with in each of the sites. And as I said, we're split across 5 different continents, so you can see Europe, you can see Africa, you can see Asia, you can see South America and North America, all that are involved in this trial. So as you can imagine, trying to coordinate something of such a scale takes a little bit of time. When we first were awarded the grant, it's a UK funder known as the Medical Research Council. They gave us £1.2 million, and the sponsor is UCL. So the money is all held in the UK, but trying to get that out to teams in all these different sites and coordinate has been a real challenge. An enjoyable one, but a challenge. Now, I always think it's better to put faces to names. So these are the main bosses. The chief investigator is Professor Hurst, who sits in the UK with me. The sub-PI is Will Shepley. They're not here today, so I'm going to focus on those that work a bit harder, which is us and the rest of the team. So we have myself, and I coordinate in the UK. Trishul is very involved here in MLI. There'll be a few more projects you'll hear about that he's involved in. Susie works out in Peru, and Paul is and Natalie is coordinating on the Paul side. Photos, so faces to names again. This is our Peruvian team. This is our Nepalese team. And I'm happy to say this is by far and away the funnest team, and that's the team that's out here in Uganda. Not only are they the funnest team, they are by and large the most hard-working team as well, as you will see from our recruitment figures, which I will present you shortly. Now, our study design, this looks very complicated, and it's not, but essentially we'll be screening people and trying to test the validity of questionnaires. So 2 very simple 5-item questionnaires bogged against gold standard spirometry to see whether or not there is a correlation between those questionnaires and whether spirometry has diagnosed somebody with COPD. 3,500 people in each site. Now, those that are diagnosed will be subcategorised into their severity of their COPD. Now, if they have gold stage B to D, and the way that we will capture that is by using a questionnaire called the COPD assessment tool CAT, a score greater than 10, including a burden, which is 2 or more infections in the last 12 months, they will be invited to enrol into our trial. 120 will go to usual care, and 120 will go to our enhanced care, which is our supporting action plan I was telling you about. This will be done at random. Again, this is age and sex stratified to ensure risk of bias is minimised and our results aren't skewed. Now, these are the slides that are missing, so I apologise for that. So in action, we have case findings. We've got consent, we've got anthropometric measurements, and then we've got questionnaires and spirometry, which has been amazing to go out into the field and watch. If they're diagnosed, they then get education. They get given flip charts, which are very much picture dominated, and I'll show you. And it teaches them about their disease, it teaches them how to manage it, both with medications and both without. And this is really important time, I'll move across what I can talk about statistics in the discussion. And recruitment, as you can see, we're almost at 6,600, we're well over halfway. Uganda remains our top recruiting site. There's been a bit of competition with Kuru and Nepal, but a bit of competition is always has to be. And I've talked about that actually, so I'll just very quickly show you our tools. A lot of thanks goes to the Fresh Air Project because they helped us with some of these pictures. But the text is based on behavioural science, something called the IQQR, and how you would explain to people about their disease. This is the action plan. It's based on an NHS action plan in England where you use traffic lights. It's if and then. If you are feeling okay, if your symptoms are normal, then you don't have to do much, that's green. If your symptoms are abnormal, then you think about yellow. Do I need medications? Do I need to seek access? And the community health worker is meant to bridge that access between care. And then finally, am I in the red zone? Do I need to go somewhere else? Do I need to go to a health centre? Do I need to go to a hospital? All of this is trying to mitigate the morbidity and mortality associated with COPD in these countries. Milestones, current settings. I'm going to wrap up some photos because they're the most important people, I think, when it comes to trials like this. And then I'll leave this because there is a question mark there, because in discussion I'd like you all to think what that question mark means when it comes to percentage of people that have ever been exposed to biomass in our cohort,